do you got?
I don't know. I was here for 2 hours last week.
Ooh, tray ball.
Who passed that to him?
Huh?
Who passed that?
I don't know. I think number 3.
How's it 5?
I hate Kansas City with a fucking passion. Patrick Mahomes up. I hate him. He's a cheater. I see all these flags. Are you watching the game?
Yes.
You see the slide where they said roughing the passer? Man is running like a QB. Is it L? L on the side? Yeah, that's mine.
Which one? Roughing the passer? I seen when Will Anderson hit him up here.
Oh yeah, no, there was one after that.
Oh, no, I didn't see that.
It always is. These guys don't know.
What?
I think I might have to go for 85 today.
You're not doing that.
Oh, so you guys aren't going to feed me? That's what you're saying. See, I can't win.
No one said that, but like, you know, you're not gonna hit 85.
You don't see? Yo, this negativity. Number 1 hater. Feed me the
Yo,
the fuck. You guys gonna catch that? That could have been a broken iPad right there.
That's fucking scary. I almost got concussed.
What team is this? South B. Whoa. Who do you have today?
Hands up! I know you're there.
I know we have Jan. All I know there's Tayshawn.
Darren, Mark, you. Steph should be there. Next week?
Yeah, he messaged me. I don't message me. I said, RJ, I don't even care. As long as you show up for playoffs. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'll be there for playoffs. Guaranteed. I'll miss work for that.
I like regular season, fuck it.
It's too close.
What's too close?
Camera.
What do you mean?
Maybe like a 0.5.
It doesn't, some of them don't do 0.5. I think there's only one iPad that allows it.
That's this one. Oh, this is solid. Woo!
No, do like 0.7.
Point what?
0.7.
That's an option?
You just scroll in and out.
Oh!
Take a picture, yeah.
I didn't know that. Oh, this is tough. my Blistex?
Hey, big rebound.
Come on, Juice.
Slow it down, slow it down. Stop, finish.
Nico Collins just a touchdown? Probably lives though.
Just Nico?
What? Huh?
Just Nico?
Yeah. Should have picked Joe Mixon. He was high. His odds were higher than fucking Nico Collins.
I know.
What? Joe Mixon was. Nico was 115.
That's not lower.
Wait, he was 1 on what?
Score?
Oh.
Pretty sure. I'll look at it right now. Good take, OG. Violation? Wait, what?
Oh, at least I counted. Oh, they allowed it.
Back and went in. Well, that's essentially three shots. Yeah, stop playing with that.
Yeah, I'm done with this.
Another clap? Repping long sleeves today? Smokes it.
But I get it, my tone does come off as angry.
Missed both of them? Just hit Nico. And you get sacked again? Come the fuck on. Why are you kicking a field goal on 40? Go for it. You got one timeout. You have to go for it. Onside kick.
And Kaimi fucking missed an extra point.
No. Extra point and a field goal. There's 2 extra points and 1 field goal.
You missed 2?
No, 2 field goals, 1 extra point.
That's 7 points. Yo, not yet, not yet. Yo. Thank you. Yo, Dave, watch out.
Normally that's what you do.
What did you say?
Normally you just read the jersey.
It's right in front of me.
No, but do you remember you just read the jersey? So you read the jersey?
Yeah.
That didn't go in?
Lions game starts at 8? Starts at 8, the Lions game?
I'm not no hating ass nigga, but like I want Patrick Mahomes to like tear ACL.
Hands up!
Like I hope he's like he fully recovers, but like I really want that to happen.
Some crazy hate stuff.
Bro, I love Andy Reid. That's my guy.
You love who?
Andy Reid, that's my guy. Patrick Mahomes, like no. You think he's better than Tom Brady? No. No. The referee's slurping him off.
And Tom Brady never got straight,
Bro, not like this.
Yes, man.
You
It's
see?
probably the same thing.
No, this is weird. I've never seen anything this
It's the
bad.
same shit.
No.
It's the same shit.
I've never seen anything this bad. Like the flags I'm seeing this time is just like just crazy. This game was outrageous to watch.
Come on, man. I know you grew up watching fucking Tom Brady do the same shit.
No.
Yes.
The way yo Patrick Mahomes be selling shit, bro.
Hands! Ward!
Kaboom.
Box out, guys, box out!
I guess it's long sleeves today. It's kind of chilly. family of us.
Yeah.
His brother's from it.
It's with his girl.
Huh?
With his girl.
Oh, Dre's girl?
Attack him.
The defense. Yo. This guy can't use his words?
95 rebound. You got 95 rebound?
Hey, right there. Shoot that.
Travel.
You didn't see that pivot?
Nah, that pivot foot was dragging.
Space. Yo, Josh, show.
1845. Fuck this.
Good lucky.
Yo, whose squad is this? Whose squad is this?
Out. Dylan.
On the way.
What happened? Oh, really? Oh, why?
No, I think they were caught like they were letting them play. But I feel like he felt like
It's all good. Get back.
They played yesterday. Oh, Kings, right? Oh, Revive. Oh, they lost. Yeah, see, we definitely see.
Josh, drive.
Yo, they better not win by too much or they move up, yo.
being offenders, I'll tell you that.
Offenders move down.
Yeah, but they're not being offenders. Offenders wants to move down. JD's telling me, oh yeah, we didn't want to be over here.
Yeah, they were on them. They had
That's
to
how
on
so.
both divisions.
And he said someone put them on this side.
Yo, you subbing? They're not even in frame.
You want to see themselves in on the ball? Oh, you had the big. Come on! That's not a 3-second in the key.
Huh?
That's not he's calling 3 in the key.
You see yesterday's 3 seconds? TJ?
There's so many. Call one on Bumble. Oh yeah, you want to get that one.
Good shot.
They have fun?
Drive.
Who do you face today?
Club TT?
I don't know who they are.
I don't know either.
Wait, they faced the defenders. Am I tripping?
That was undercard.
No, they faced fucking Accelerate last week.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's after our game.
I think that. Yeah, that was a sorry team. They're sorry. Might get a different version of Tayshawn.
What does that mean?
Tell you, I don't know what version of Tayshawn I'm gonna get.
Oh, yeah. Dub.
Jordan's here.
Yeah, this guy's a capper. He said he'd be here 7:15.
It's changed. He's a sucker. Oh.
No way. gotta sell you what you can, dude. That one.
The team has twice your score.
Good shot. Guys, get back. Got numbers. Go.
Yeah.
All the way. Yeah. All right, get back.
Where's OMB set?
When do y'all play?
Next.
What up, Chad? Are we versing? Huh? Oh no, you're playing right now. Playing right now.
CJ's tweaking.
Yeah, I'm fried, bro.
You mean him?
Why don't you guys bring that team over here on Saturday? Bring that team over here.
Where's over here?
Saturday
Nah,
night.
man, this looks like nations.
It is
It is
nation. So what? Your team is not a tier 14.
Nah, Sundays where it matters. Here, I just try, like, I come Friday, I try to kill it. You know? These guys pick me up, like, I'm playing my player on Saturday.
Yo. Yeah, Omar picked you up a lot.
Yeah. Champagne.
Champagne Muzu.
These are slapping.
Yeah, Muzu's still in Dubai a lot.
Yeah. This team gave us problems last week.
Huh?
This
What?
team gave us problems.
The red one?
Who?
Purple.
Really?
You guys suck. You have this.
No, they have Jordan Poole.
Who's Jordan Poole? Who? Number 2?
How much does he have?
Who? Number 2 on purple. 8.
Watch. All the way, bucket. Hey. Come on, man. Nice.
He needed the scouting, eh?
Killed us last week. We won, but it's killing me.
Yeah, but you had what, 27 last week?
No. Like 16, 17. Didn't feel like it. It felt like a quiet one. You gonna come on Wednesday? Yo, why don't you come over with us on Wednesday?
Should be there. Oh, him.
Me?
Yeah.
For what?
We have a run.
Oh, Wednesdays?
Yeah.
Nice pass.
I don't know, my schedule's kind of weird.
All the way. Grab the rebound for misses.
Damn, son. Yep, they're moving up.
Hang with us.
Nope, they're moving up. Sub!
Sean, you're moving up.
PD!
Man, it was quick to say you. So I guess you lost to Taliban.
Taliban's Boo! Okay, Sean. Yeah, they're moving up a show. Luis? 23.
You know this?
He doesn't have it.
The paper? It's not there? So the connector with the jersey.
It wasn't for us. Drop turn. Damn. It's done.
I'll have your ball. No whip. I'll get it out. Who designed these? These are tough.
Just one TTO?
Yeah.
You want to play TTO?
No, I'm begging.